Madeline, can you find the elephant? Can you show me the elephant? You bring me the elephant, Madeline? Yes, the elephant. Oh, oh yes, the elephant. Yeah, bring it here. Oh yeah, nice. Madeline, can you find the camel? Bring me the camel. Yes, very good. Oh yes, the polar bear. Madeline, can you bring me the flamingo? The flamingo? Yes, the flamingo. Yay! The flamingo. Madeline, can you find the zebra? Find the zebra. Which one's the zebra? Can you find the zebra? Close up. Can you find the zebra, Madeline? Can you find the zebra? Find the zebra. Where's the zebra? Bring me the zebra. Oh, very good. Yay, the zebra. Yes, the elephant. Thank you. Oh. Hey, can you find the gorilla? Where's the gorilla? Where's the gorilla? Find the gorilla. Where's the gorilla? Can I see? Oh yes, put it in the little tree basket. Yeah. Yeah, very good. Where's the rhino? Where's the rhino? Madeline, where's the rhino? The ostrich, yes. Madeline. Madeline. Where's the orangutan? Where's the orangutan? Yes, the orangutan. Oh, very nice. Yes. Madeline. Can you find the leopard? Where's the leopard? Yes, the leopard. Where's the leopard, Madeline? Where's the leopard? Where'd it go? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, are you giving the camel to Leo? Oh, it's very nice of you. Madeline, can I see the tiger? Can I see that? No? Crazy. Madeline, where's the leopard? Where's the leopard? Yes, where's the leopard? Oh, yay! Yay, oh! Sweet. Thank you. Where's the sea turtle? Which one's the sea turtle? Yeah. The sea turtle. Yes. Where's the sea turtle? Where's the turtle? Yes. Yay.
Look.
Yay. Oh, yeah, okay. Or play with it. That's fine. Uh-oh. Sneaky turtle went under the couch. Ooh, very good. Madeline, where's the alligator? Where's the alligator? Yay! The alligator. Madeline, can you find the bear? Can you find the brown bear? Where's the brown bear? Yes, there's the brown bear. Yay! Yay! Good job. Where's the ostrich? We picked him up earlier. Where's the ostrich? Where's the ostrich? Ooh, very good. Yay! Ostrich. Madeline, where's the rhino? Where's the rhino? Where's the rhino? Oh yes, is Mommy making noises in the kitchen? Madeline, Madeline, Madeline. Can you find the rhino? Oh yeah. Oh, and there's a kitty cat too. I'll take the ostrich. Where's the rhino? Where's the rhino, Madeline? You don't care about the rhino, do you? Oh, you gonna take that to Mommy? I don't think she wants the ostrich.
Is an ostrich for me? Thank you.
Ooh, can you bring Mommy the rhino? Where's the rhino? Which one's the rhino? Where's the rhino? That is the hippo. I know they're both big and fat, but you know that. Incoming hippo, Mommy.
Another one for me?
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.